If you're looking into engineering colleges in the Namakkal region, this one's probably on your list. Selvam College of Technology. Now, the first thing you'll need for your TNEA application is the code, so make a note of this, 2627.
So what do you need to know right off the bat? Two things, really. First, it's an autonomous college. That's a big deal because it means they have the freedom to design and update their own curriculum. Second, it's been around since 2006, so they've got a good bit of experience under their belt.
All right, let's dig a little deeper into the college's background and what makes it tick.
Okay, let's break down the essentials. We have the full name, Selvam College of Technology. The TNEA Code, again, is 2627. It's an autonomous, self-financing college, and it's affiliated with Anna University, Chennai, all located right in Namakkal district.
You know, every college has a story. This one was started by Dr. P. Selvaraj, who, interestingly, is a veteran poultry scientist. His mission was pretty clear from the start. He wanted to create confident engineers who would go on to make a real difference in rural communities.
Now for the part you've probably been waiting for. What can you actually study here? Let's look at the engineering branches on offer.
You've got 9 different options to choose from. That's 9 undergraduate engineering programs.
And here they are. You'll find the core classic branches like mechanical, civil, and computer science. But what's really interesting is they're also offering some of the newer, more in-demand fields like artificial intelligence and data science, biomedical engineering, and IT. So a good mix of traditional and new age options.
Of course, who teaches you is just as important as what you learn. According to the college's own data, they have more than 15 faculty members with a PhD. That level of academic qualification in the staff is definitely a positive sign.
All right, let's talk about the big one. The question on every student's and parent's mind. What happens after the 4 years? Let's get into the placements.
The college reports a placement figure of 80%.
And for full transparency, it's important to know this number comes directly from the college itself. It's the data they provided for the official TNEA 2025 booklet. So, which companies are coming to campus? Well, you'll see a lot of familiar names from the IT services world here. Companies like TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, and Accenture are listed as some of their top recruiters.
Okay, let's shift gears from careers to the day-to-day logistics. What's the story with living on campus and getting to and from the college?
Good news for those coming from out of town. The college has on-campus hostel facilities for both boys and girls. And the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, so you've got options.
Now, if you're a day scholar, this next number is a game changer. 58. That's right, the college runs a fleet of 58 buses.
And these buses cover some serious ground. We're talking about 50 different routes spread across not just Namakkal, but also the Salem and Erode districts. That is a massive network, which makes commuting a whole lot easier for a lot of students.
So, what's happening on campus beyond the regular classes? Let's take a quick look at the academic activities that keep the campus buzzing.
It looks like there's quite a bit going on. In 2026 alone, the college hosted a whole series of national-level events, things like an hackathon and conferences focused on hot topics like AI and other emerging tech trends. This shows a real commitment to keeping students engaged with the latest in the industry.
Finally, let's cover the essentials. How do you get in? And what kind of financial support can you expect?
Getting in is primarily through the TNEA counseling process. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota, while the remaining 35% fall under the management quota.
For those admitted through TNEA, the standard government scholarships are available. This includes the dedicated scholarships for SC/ST and BC/MBC students, as well as the government technical scholarship for eligible candidates.
Just so you know, all the information we've shared today has been carefully compiled from the college's official website and trusted government portals. And we've made sure everything is current as of April 2026.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.